Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Pitt. I make videos about marketing, business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolio. The title for today's video is, what should you do in a bear market? Before I get into the main content of the video, I'm going to put my socials on screen here. So if you're active on any of those platforms, connect with me there, follow me there, send me messages and I will respond in the usual fashion. Okay. Bear market. Let me just start by defining a bear market. A bear market is a period relating to either the stock market or the crypto market when prices decline 20% from the all-time high. So the all-time high for crypto, for Bitcoin, let's focus on Bitcoin, was 69,000 in November 2021. We're currently at 20,000, 21,000, depending on when I edit and upload this video. So we've gone into a bear market, and I think that there are helpful steps that you can take in dealing with the bear market. And remember, bear markets follow bull markets, and there's an endless rotation of the two. So here are the steps, and these should help you. First step is quite straightforwardly to save. So let's imagine you're in the privileged position where you're employed, you have money coming in, and you have enough to save some money that you can use for investment purposes. As I'm recording this, I'm reminded obviously of the cost of living crisis that's affected many different countries around the world. So it is very difficult for some people to save any money. They're just trying to survive, and there are macroeconomic reasons for that. Inflation is very high. Inflation in the UK, I think, is at 9.2% at the time of recording, and has been the highest level. That's the highest level it's been for 40 years. So the cost of living crisis is a very serious impact on people's ability to save. But my recommendation is, number one, you save. My second recommendation is that you look at your crypto portfolio. Obviously, this is assuming you have a crypto portfolio you've been establishing during the previous years and months. And you look at your crypto portfolio with a view to consolidating that portfolio around the projects that you are most confident in. And this confidence is not just like a gut feeling or intuition. It's after you've done the research and looked at the project's fundamentals. I create videos on this channel where I look at fundamentals for projects. I assess utility, I assess token metrics, also known as tokenomics. Some people like to use that term instead, but I prefer token metrics. And I go through the details of that, and also the leadership, the ownership, the founders, etc. And you can look at those videos on my channel by looking at the and clicking on the playlist that I put above. Now it'll be somewhere above. There'll be a link to the crypto playlist, so you can do that. So consolidate your investments. You might find some of these investments in the bear market are not doing very well. They're not growing, and they're decreasing at a much higher rate than the average across the board in the crypto sector. That may be because these projects are not they don't have strong fundamentals. They may have no genuine utility, and they were just rising when everything was rising. So now they're under closer scrutiny. It's transpired that these projects are not very sound, don't have good fundamentals, perhaps not good leadership, perhaps not good utility, and perhaps low liquidity as well. So a number of projects will put themselves in this category where you think, these are not strong projects. So you should, if feasible, you should exit your positions in those projects and replace them with stronger, sounder, more solid projects that you'd like to invest in. This video is obviously created for edutainment purposes. This does not constitute financial advice. You've got to make do your own research and make your own decisions. So, number one, save. Number two, consolidate your portfolio around those projects you're most confident in after having done the research. Number three is invest. So if you have got some money to save, maybe that's £50, $50, $100 a month, a week, etc., and you dollar cost average yourself in. Now you've identified the projects that you're most confident in and most bullish about, then you reallocate your funds into those projects. Don't worry about saying, oh well, I've got to. Don't let this thought sway you. And the thought is, oh no, I entered a particular currency a rate and I can't exit until it gets back up to there. It may never get back up to there. Sometimes you have to cut your losses and then take the funds and allocate into one of the stronger projects. And I think you should do that. So there's a quick 3-point plan: save, consolidate, and then invest in those projects that you have the greatest confidence in. There is a tremendous opportunity with the bear market to get your funds allocated in the right projects, and for me that definitely includes Bitcoin, and to buy more of those currencies, those crypto assets that you're confident in, at a low price, a relatively low price. So I mentioned earlier in this video that Bitcoin had been an all-time high in November 2021 of $69,000, and it's now at 20,000. So if you can, you have confidence in that, then you put your money in now. When the bear market's over, and I did a TikTok about the bear market and how long that might last. It might last between 9-10 months. It could last 19 months. It could actually be over in a few months. Macroeconomic conditions like the war between Russia and Ukraine could have a massive impact. So if that were to end in the next few weeks, that would bring more confidence into a lot of financial markets, and it would dampen some of the macroeconomic conditions and the high inflation around the world that we're experiencing, so that even that could change the whole outlook for the bear market in the crypto sector. And the opportunity around investing as much as you can at this low level, or these, think of current prices, the bear market, as equivalent to a January sale of crypto assets. Get in there at the low price, and when the market rises again, you will have made a lot of profit. Thanks for watching this short video. I just wanted to give a quick sort of 3-step plan of what you should do in a bear market. It is the time, and it is the phase we're going through at the moment. It won't last forever. We've lived through other bear markets, and we've benefited by coming out the other side, supporting the right projects. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, give me a like. Please click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video from me, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one. Feel free to leave any comments in the comment section below. Thanks, until the next time. Bye bye.